plus
ठीक है?
equal
That is,
to
if T S plus J equal to
yes
Pj,
sir.
for J lies between 1 to M, if P occurs with shift S in T, then we call a valid shift. That shift in which there is a match of pattern with the substring, then such shift is called valid shift. Otherwise, it will be called invalid shift. जैसे for example, initially there was one shift in this tag, so it was invalid because there was no match. For s equal to 2, again there is no match, so the invalid shift.
Yes.
For s equal to 3, it is a
Yes
No
sir.
match.
valid shift. Okay,
A.
because there is a match. That's why it is a
Okay.
valid
Okay.
shift. Okay, there are many string matching
Yes.
algorithms. Here we will study the following algorithms. First one is naive string matching
Nice.
algorithm. Second is Rabin-Karp
Rapid
algorithm. Third is string
string
matching
matching
with
with finite
automata.
automata.
And last one is
The
Knuth-Morris
Nuts
split
Morris.
algorithm.
The Nut Morris
So
part algorithm.
today we will cover only first algorithm. Okay, we will
Sure.
cover only first
Yes
algorithm,
sir.
that is naive string
Okay.
matching algorithm. This is the easiest one. So naive string matching procedure can be interpreted graphically as sliding a template containing the pattern over the text, noting for which shifts all the characters on the template equals the corresponding characters in the text. For example, this here. Oh, this is the previous example. So initially, this is the text.
A.
This
Text.
is pattern,
Pattern.
which we are searching
Yes sir.
here in the text. Initially, there is no shift.
TP.
No
Yes
shift.
sir.
S equal to 0. We
Yes sir.
start matching first character with first.
Yes sir.
But there is no match of second character in both. In text, second character is C. In pattern, second character is A. So there is no match.
A.
What we will do?
Yes.
We shift it by
Shift
1. We shift it by 1.
1.
So after one shift, the first character of the
Again, it is
substring will be
not
B.
matching.
C will be matched with A, compared with A. But it is not matched. So
Yes.
we again shift. One more shift will be there. So after two shift, you will get this substring,
Pattern.
this
Pattern.
substring. So
Pattern.
we start matching this first character with first character of the pattern. So A is A. Here again A, B, B. So it is matched. So S equal to 2 is the valid shift. These are invalid shift. After this, last substring will be this ABC. Here we have AAB.
Also didn't
So
match.
this is also invalid shift.
Invalid shift.
Okay. So how many total
Yes,
number of substrings there?
Yes sir.
N
Of
minus M plus 1. Okay. ये हुआ नहीं?
yes, sir.
Minus M plus 1.
Yes sir.
And what is the size of N? 6. 6 minus
Minus 3.
3
3
plus
plus 1.
plus 1. कितना
Plus
हो गया?
1.
4.
So 4.
2.
So there are 4
4.
substrings जो हमने चारों मैच किए हैं. All the 4 have been matched ना?
Yes.
A, B, C, D, all 4 matched. So that is why it is N minus M plus 1 number of substrings. And number of shifts will be 3 only. S equal to 1, 2, 3. Initially S will be 0. So this is the algorithm for this. The naive algorithm finds all valid shifts using the loop that checks the condition. This condition it will check. P1 to M equal to T S plus 1 to S plus M. What is the S? Value of S? S will be 0
It's a
to
shift.
Shift.
0 to 3. है, sir.
S will be 0 to
Shift.
0 to N minus M.
n minus m.
कितने तो शिफ्ट होंगे? n minus m, 0 to n minus m.
n minus m.
For each of the n minus m plus 1 possible values of s, this algorithm takes theta of n minus 1 plus m
In worst case.
in the worst case. So this is the complexity of this algorithm. This is the complexity. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay.
सर
Yes, sir.
सर इस फॉर्मूले में +1 जो आता है, ये +1 कहाँ से आता है सर?
बताए ना, s equal to 0 सबसे पहला, when there
Yes,
is no
sir.
shift. और n minus 1 क्या है? Number of shifts.
Yes.
ठीक.
s की वैल्यू 0 और 1 2 3 4 up to n minus m.
और सर अगर s की वैल्यू को 1 से स्टार्ट करेंगे तो ये +1 लास्ट में नहीं
1
आएगा?
से स्टार्ट करेंगे तो इनिशियली वी आर शिफ्टिंग, but it is not necessary because first substring will be without any shift, इसलिए s will be 0. Okay?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
First substring will also be matched, na? There may be the case
Yes.
that our first substring is the match. Okay, this is the algorithm. N is the length of the text, m is length of the pattern,
Length of the pattern.
s is equal to 0
0
to
to n minus m.
minus m.
0 to n minus m.
ये अब कौन आ रहा है? ये बार बार क्यों भाग जाते हैं? So do if pattern equal to t of that substring. Initially s will be 0, so t will be 0 plus 1 means first character से we will start. First to m.
M.
जो भी साइज पैटर्न का है, पैटर्न का साइज कितना है m? तो 1 से लेके
Yes,
m
sir.
तक के. Suppose
Yes, sir.
value of m is 5, then 1 to 5. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
t1 to 5
Yes.
equal to t1 to 5. It will be as character by character. If s equal to 0, now s will be 1, so this will become t 1 plus 1 2, means second character of the text will be the first character of the substring after one shift. Okay, here m plus
Sir.
1 up to this. So like this, with the help of this loop, we will match all the substrings with the pattern.
Sir, this is the complete algorithm, sir.
Yes.
So where is matching, sir? Where is matching algorithm?
Matching we are
Matching
assuming
logic.
here. Matching we are assuming here that we will match it character by character. There will be one more loop. That's why m is, ये देखिए ना, ये क्या है m, you multiplied it by m. So one
Yes,
more
sir.
loop will be 1 to m. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
This is n minus m plus 1. This n minus m plus 1 कहाँ से आया? From here. This loop will run in that much times.
And minus m plus m.
And inner loop 1 to m, because the pattern size is m. So all m characters will be matched. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So there is a nested loop which is not shown here. This algorithm has taken from the Foreman book.
Okay, sir.
There they have mentioned that we will compare it one by one character. So this is the first algorithm of string matching.
Okay.
So what is string matching? What is string matching?
सर स्ट्रिंग मैचिंग वही है कि एक पैटर्न रहेगा आपको और एक टेक्स्ट रहेगा.
टेक्स्ट रहेगी, टेक्स्ट में से पैटर्न देखना होगा.
एक के बाद एक को मैच करके सर फाइंड आउट करना है.
Matching is finding the pattern from a given text. Finding the pattern
Yes.
in a
String
given
string matching is a find the pattern from the given text.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And what is the
Okay, sir.
complexity of this?
Yes, sir.
This
G, big
this
O of
particular
theta
algorithm,
of n
realistic
minus n
matching.
plus
n
1.
minus 1 plus m into m.
So now you understand what is shift, what is the size of the length, size of the
Yes, sir.
text and pattern.
Pattern.
Okay.
Yes.
So this was the easiest
Yes, sir.
algorithm. Next algorithm we will do tomorrow because it will not be completed today. That is quite bigger compared to this. This was the easiest.
Okay, sir.
So now you know what is string, what is string matching. So you will
What
study.
is size of text? What
In
is
the
size of
meantime, you
pattern?
will study the related thing in the book. Next algorithm we will take, that is Rabin-Cobb algorithm. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
go
sir.
through this algorithm in the book. We will cover it tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay then.
Thank you, sir. Leave.